Host, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our special presentation on one of cricket's most dynamic and charismatic personalities. Today, we delve into the life and career of the legendary Shahid Afridi. From his explosive batting style to his all-round skills, Afridi has left an indelible mark on the game. Join us as we explore the extraordinary journey of this cricket icon. Segment 1, Early Life and Introduction. Host, Shahid Khan Afridi was born on March 1, 1980, in Khyber Agency, Pakistan. He grew up in a tribal region known for its passion for cricket. At the tender age of 16, Afridi made his debut in international cricket, capturing the world's attention with his breathtaking talent. Cut to images of a young Afridi and his early cricketing days. Segment 2, Boom Boom Afridi. Host, Afridi quickly earned the nickname Boom Boom for his explosive style of play. Whether it was his monstrous sixes or lightning-quick bowling, Afridi brought an unparalleled excitement to the cricket field. His fearless approach and ability to change the course of a game in a matter of minutes made him a fan favorite worldwide. Show footage of Afridi hitting sixes and taking wickets. Segment 3, Record-Breaking Achievements. Host, throughout his career, Afridi shattered numerous records, leaving his mark on the history of the game. He holds the record for the fastest century in one-day internationals, ODIs, reaching the milestone in just 37 balls. Afridi also holds the distinction of hitting the most sixes in international cricket, entertaining fans with his power-hitting prowess. Display statistics highlighting Afridi's records. Segment 4, Beyond Bat and Ball. Host, Shahid Afridi's impact extends beyond his performances on the cricket field. He has been actively involved in philanthropic work, establishing the Shahid Afridi Foundation, which focuses on education, healthcare, and clean water initiatives in Pakistan. Afridi's compassion and dedication have earned him respect both on and off the pitch. Show images of Afridi engaging in charitable activities. Segment 5, Challenges and Setbacks. Host, like any sporting career, Afridi faced his fair share of challenges and setbacks. He experienced ups and downs, but his resilience and determination never wavered. Afridi's ability to bounce back from setbacks and come out stronger is a testament to his character and mental strength. Discuss notable challenges Afridi faced and how he overcame them. Segment 6, Legacy and Inspiration. Host, Shahid Afridi's legacy is etched in the annals of cricketing history. His aggressive style of play and sheer passion for the game have inspired countless young cricketers around the world. Afridi's swashbuckling innings and infectious energy have left an indelible impact on the sport. Include interviews with fellow cricketers and fans expressing their admiration for Afridi. Segment 7, Conclusion. Host, as we conclude our journey through the life and career of Shahid Afridi, we are reminded of the impact a single individual can have on a sport and its fans. Afridi's explosive batting, fiery bowling, and philanthropic endeavors have made him a true icon of the game. Host wraps up with final thoughts. Host, thank you for joining us today as we celebrated the life of Shahid Afridi. His unique style and unwavering passion will forever be remembered. Until next time.